Greetings everyone. The patriotic song Vande Mataram has completed 150 years. This sacred song is an immortal anthem of inspiration dedicated to our Mother India. Today, let's look at some important facts about this song. Who wrote Vande Mataram? The song Vande Mataram was composed by the great poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in the year 1870. It was first featured in his novel Anandamath. What does Vande Mataram mean? Vande means I bow or I salute. Mataram means to the mother. It translates to O mother, I bow to you. Here, mother refers to our Mother India. Difference between the national anthem and the national song. National Anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, is written by Rabindranath Tagore. National Song of India, Vande Mataram. The Constituent Assembly of India officially gave it this status on 24th January 1950. Vande Mataram in the freedom struggle. During British rule, freedom fighters fought while chanting Vande Mataram. This slogan ignited patriotism among the people. That is why it is not just a song, it is a movement. The uniqueness of Vande Mataram. This song is written in the Sanskrit language. It beautifully describes the beauty of nature, motherly love, and patriotic feelings. Only the first stanzas have been officially adopted. As this sacred song completes 150 years, it remains an eternal flame of patriotism in our hearts. Let us all say it once with pride. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Now let's follow the song here.
Sufalam malayaj sitalam sasya shyamalam mataram Shubhra jyotsna pulakitayamini Utpulla kusumita dhrumadala shobhini Suhasinim sumadhura bhashini Sukhadam varadam mataram Vande Mataram Sujalam sufalam malayaj shitalam Sasya shyamalam mataram కోటి కోటి కంఠ కలకల నినాదకారాలే కోటి కోటి భుజైర్ధృత కరకరవాలే అబలాకేయనో మాయేతో బలే బహుబలధారిణి నమామి తారిణి రిపుదలవారిణి మాతరా Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sitalam Sasya Shyamalam Mataram तुमी विद्या तुमी धर्मा तुमी हृदि तुमी मर्मा तुम ही प्राणा शरीरे बाहुते तुमी मा शक्ति हृदये तुमी मा भक्ति तोमारई प्रतिमा गड़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणी मातरम्